Good morning. I'd like to show you my morning keto coffee spread. At first, I wasn't as keen on the taste, and then I realized I was doing some things wrong. So one of the things I've been doing, I've never used white sugar. I've always used honey or raw sugar in my teas or coffee. But I like the wild honey from Aurora. It is processed in Canada, but it's wildflower honey. So it's actually on its own, just a taste or in a tea, on bread or whatever. It's very, very, it's very sweet. But for my coffee, all I'm literally using, let me show you, all I'm literally using is about a coating of a spoon. These flowers that they've used are from Thailand, Spain, Guatemala, Mexico, and Ukraine, and they combine them all together. And it's grade 1 golden, not Canadian though. So I give my keto coffee my fat burning awesomeness. Actually a good blend. I like it because it actually froths it up. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and do this with one hand. Nope. There we go. Frothy, and I love that. So for you diabetics out there, you don't have to worry about putting sugar. You don't even have to use milk if you don't want to. But if you do use keto coffee, you have to check with your doctor first if you're type 1 or type 2. And because sometimes the keto diet in itself is not good for diabetics, but other aspects of it can be very helpful, very good for you, especially with basically the keto coffee has like an MCT oil in it, and it's an amazing fat burner. It's amazing for your brain. It's actually incredible. But anyway, that's not what the coffee looks like. I'm just showing you. So that's my amazingness for the day.